Hello, my name is Heidi Lynn Borden. I'm the author of Beautiful Flittering Birds picture book with nostalgic thoughts. This is the 5th installment of my beautiful picture books with different thoughts. This one is a little bit longer book. This one has 44 pages with beautiful artwork throughout the entire book and very, very nice nostalgic thoughts, not ones that bring you to sadness, but ones that bring you to good memories. And this is a wonderful book for Mother's Day. Also a great bedside read to go to sleep at night with good thoughts on your mind, and also beautiful pictures to enjoy that really uplift you. Let's take a walk through and take a look at this beautiful book. This is a very colorful book, lots of beautiful artwork. This book's very special to me. I dedicated this book to my Aunt Doris, my father's beloved sister. She really encouraged me my entire life with my writing, and she was so excited. I wish she was alive today to see this book, but I know she's watching from heaven. And I'm so grateful to be able to dedicate this book to her and honor her memory, as well as all that she did to encourage my writing and encourage me to get it out to the public. This book is just absolutely really beautiful and such a feel-good book. Everything about it just makes you feel good. And that's how I created it. Sometimes memories from the past can be sad, but this book isn't about sad memories. It's about great memories. It's about memories that bring back smiles in your heart and on your face. It's a book that just makes you stop and reflect. I think in these days and times we could all use that. I chose different colors and different kinds of artwork. My illustrator did a beautiful job. There were specific things that I wanted for this book, and he really captured them beautifully. Family and friends were the center of our world back then. Yes. Isn't that wonderful? We need more of that today. There's also a really great sample read for this book on the page on Amazon where it is for sale underneath the book picture itself. For some reason, Amazon actually pulled down quite a few pages to be able to look at and read from this book. They haven't done that with some of my other books, but this one they really did. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that owl. You can find all of my books on Amazon by simply typing my full name into the search bar, Heidi Lynn Borden. I have around 20 books on the market at this time. Some of them are translated into Spanish. I still have a lot that I need to translate, but it's a big job, little by little, trying to get things done. But I'm so excited to bring you these books. I've really enjoyed creating them for you. And I know that I've gotten some great feedback from people who have bought my books. My readers are really enjoying them. I create books for adults and for children. I also have some appointment books on my page as well that are really pretty, very nice. I have a scripture book that has thoughts and prayers and journaling in that. It's really, really nice. This is my newest book. It's only been out on the market, I think, about a week now. I really believe you're going to love this book. You can still order it in time for Mother's Day. A great Mother's Day gift. Mom would really enjoy these nostalgic thoughts. Thinking about the past, thinking about days of beauty and fun and family and friends and fond memories. I even tell a few little funny stories in here. Thinking about fond memories from the past. With my family, there's got to be a fun story or two in there, that's for sure. Look how beautiful. love my cardinals. And of course, the last page is about me, the author, Heidi Lynn Borden. I want to thank you so much for taking this walkthrough with me with my newest book. Beautiful book. Again, beautiful Flittering Birds picture book with nostalgic thoughts, created by Heidi Lynn Borden, illustrated by T.L. Haynes. It's available now on Amazon. Simply type either this book name in or my full name, Heidi Lynn Borden, into the search bar and it will pull this up for you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you taking this walkthrough with me, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next book. Bye-bye.